everyone, I'm Jen. I'm back for another video, and today's Thursday, and of course every Thursday we do the Travel Thursday. And last week I shared with you guys a trick on how to avoid blisters whenever you travel, and now let's talk about fit one more time. Always remember, do not compromise your comfort with fashion. Yeah, you look good, but you're leaping and while you're walking, and you can't do the activities when you travel, and you can't go to more places because your feet really aches. I suggest you wear your most comfortable shoes of all time, and I'm loving these two shoes that I got. This is the Nike Barefoot Ride 5.0. I've already featured this in my January favorites, I guess. And yeah, this is so lightweight. Buy a pair of shoes that you like, walking shoes, so that you can use whenever you travel, and it will be easier for you to walk around and just travel and see the city with your feet, with your bare feet, like what the Nike shoes claims. And for my more girlier side like that, I usually bring my sandals, these strappy sandals that I got from just Magic department store for 100 pesos, I guess. Yes, and it works. It works, and I'm so comfortable with this. This is so lightweight, and I use this with a lightweight pants, like when I go to the beach or just walking around the city with my skirts like that and with my shorts. So yeah, whenever you travel, always remember, do not compromise your comfort with your fashion. Wear the most comfortable thing that you can, as long as, yeah, it's still fashionable, but you are comfortable and you are not getting any blisters, or you can walk all throughout the day. So that is my tip for today, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!